Talk to us a little bit about how you're viewing China banks at Fitch Ratings right now.
Yeah, we have a negative sector outlook on Chinese banks. I think there's still a lot of challenges in terms of banks needing to struggle priorities between maintaining adequate loan growth to support the economy, but also at the same time preserving their profitability and capital. I think the incident that you described just now with regards to Baoshan Bank, I think it highlights the vulnerability that within the system we've got a large number of very weak small banks that has potential to increase contagion risk for the banking system. For now, there's still a lot of measures that the authorities can employ to ease liquidity conditions. For example, China Construction Bank has been asked to basically step in and assist with this takeover to try to calm sort of fears in the market. But what we have observed is while there's no significant sort of increase in the interbank rates, but some of the transaction volumes with regards to interbank and NCDs, that's come down. And there's also, I think, more concerns from banks when they're lending to these smaller banks, especially the ones that have not been reporting financial statements for a number of years.
So what do authorities need to do from here to sort of placate investors?
Yeah, well, I think the fact to us, we've always said that one of the concerns we have on the system is that the governance level and also with these small banks, because they've basically doubled their market share over the past decade, and they've done so through growing in these very high risk areas. So I think by ensuring that there is some confidence that the authorities are on top of the situation. I think that because a lot of things in China is very much built on that implicit government support. So I think while the government is trying to reinforce that, but at the same time, I think it's quite positive that they've actually come out and quite publicly acknowledge the problem within the systems. To us, I think the more explicit recognition of problems within the system should only lead to improvement over time.